Hello everyone, my name is Sheikh Nur Saqib. I am a student of Department of Marketing at Jagannath University. I am currently studying at the final year of this BBA faculty. As we all know, BBA students has various types of job opportunity. We can work in various types of multinational organizations, we can work in ad firms, we also can work in banks. As I am also a marketing student, I would like to start my career as a banker. And to be specific, I would like to choose Standard Chartered Bank. Standard Chartered Bank is one of the largest international bank in this country, which started its journey in 1905. And basically, the first branch of Standard Chartered Bank was established in Chittagong, which was in 1948. The Standard Chartered Bank has almost 26 branches in this country and 87 ATM machines in this country. The Standard Chartered Bank operates in 6 cities in country, which is most for any international bank. The Standard Chartered Bank started its Islamic sector named as Standard Chartered Sadiq in 2009. The mission of Standard Chartered Bank is to see itself as a leading financial organization in this country, and it would like to be the first choice of its consumers. The mission of the Standard Chartered Bank is to create exceptional value for their clients, investors and staff through market leadership. As Standard Chartered Bank started its journey in 1905, so obviously it has various milestones in this country. The first milestone would be the Standard Chartered Bank were the first to introduce auto coupon encashment system in Bangladesh, which is the auto coupon encashment of Sanchoy Patro. It also started the international debit card, it also started the gold deposit transactions, and it was awarded the Bank of the Year in the year 2010, 2011, 2013, 2014 and 2015. There are so many banks in Bangladesh, and I choose Standard Chartered Bank because they provide us a lots of facilities. The basic facility is career advancement. Career advancement is a very important thing for developing a career. As I want to start my career in the Standard Chartered Bank, a career advancement is the first priority for me. If I want to excel my job, a Standard Chartered Bank would help me to do so. There are also some other issues, like they provide a handsome salary which is around 39 to 40k in starting. And they also do a various types of motivational training sectors which would help my career a lot. So that's why I would like to see myself as a Standard Chartered Bank employee. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.